Hi, I'm Frank Medina, Scientist 3 in the LuminexPLORE Lab here at Luminex. Today I would like to share with you a little bit about my experience transitioning from academia to industry and introduce some exciting career opportunities available here at Luminex. So a little bit about myself. Before starting at Luminex, I spent the majority of my scientific career in academia, first as a postdoc in a virology lab and then as a research scientist in a protein biochemistry lab. I thoroughly enjoyed my time in academia, particularly how intellectually stimulating the research was and the process of directing my own projects. In 2020, I made the transition to industry by joining the Explorer Lab here at Luminex. The Explorer Lab was a perfect transition from academia to industry for me. It provided some of the same benefits as academia and provided new ones, such as the opportunity to work on several smaller finite projects so that the daily work was constantly changing, and the ability to see my accomplishments have an immediate impact on cutting edge research being performed by our customers and new opportunities for growth and exposure to several new fields. So what is the Luminex Explorer Lab? The Explorer Lab is a core team of scientists within Luminex, which offers custom assay development support and services to Luminex customers using our industry-leading XMAP technology. Some of those services include antibody pair screening, custom coupling and conjugation, sample testing, assay development and optimization, assay conversion, add-on assay validation options, and advanced applications for current users. So I truly understand how daunting a task it can be when choosing a career path in biotechnology. For myself, there were three main factors that affected my decision and timing. Starting with career options. What career options do I have coming out of an academic research lab? What's available for me? Secondly, education. What are the educational requirements? Do I have enough experience, even technical experience? Lastly, interests. What market segments will I continue to grow and develop as a scientist? Although all these factors can seem overwhelming, one piece of advice I can offer, and it may be the most difficult for some, is to narrow your focus to career paths that you are actually interested performing in and day out. This means asking yourself, what do I want to do every day at work? Do I want to work at the bench? Do I want to develop new technologies or improve existing ones? I enjoy interacting with people, and I'm good at communicating science or assessing people's needs. Is this something that I'd like to capitalize on? At Luminex, there are several opportunities for a scientist in the biotechnology market segment, including assay development, research and development, application support, field applications, sales and marketing, product management, scientific content marketing, and scientific affairs. And I'll briefly go over some of the benefits or requirements of each of those so you can get a better idea of the position. So for assay development, it's pretty straightforward. We meet with customers, find out what their specific needs are, and work on developing an assay to address those needs. Some of the benefits of working in assay dev are industry exposure and the ability to accelerate drug discovery, to build better assays and refine our technical skills, to serve as a higher level contributor and allow for our creative thinking. We also get to collaborate with leading experts and engage in key lab trends such as immuno-oncology, next-gen biologics, and molecular diagnostics. All in all, we get to continue to learn and broaden our scientific acumen. For research and development, an R&D scientist spends most of his or her time conducting research, scientific studies, and experiments to develop new products or technologies and improve existing ones. From that, you get to contribute to the development of new and innovative products, collaborate with the scientific community, and enable research and impact patient outcomes. Working in R&D can also open career paths to the business side of science. Some of those may include aiding in market research and contributing to business development. For application support, field application supports are customer-facing and engaging directly with our customers. They help train scientific end users on our technology. They also help implement assay development and go-live strategies. They also travel and mentor both nation and globally. They also collaborate with PIs and postdocs to drive individual research goals. And lastly, they help facilitate in the development of a diverse offering of XMAP assays. For sales and marketing, companies are interested in candidates who can draw upon a technical education in the scientific sector in order to promote and support their products. In a career in technical sales, as opposed to general sales, you're much more of a subject matter expert, and you'll utilize your scientific knowledge and skills in order to increase revenue and drive success. For marketing, marketing is the process of getting people interested in your products, your company's product or service. Being curious and creative is what makes you an excellent marketer. You need to be curious about customers' problems that you can solve with your business. You need to be creative in how you get your message across to cut through all the noise. And you should be constantly asking, what if? And these are just some of the career path opportunities available here at Luminex. Please feel free to go over to our website and see what openings we have and what piques your interest. And please, if you have any questions or if you're ever in Austin, please feel free to drop me a line. I wish you the best in your quest and thank you for listening. Bye.